Good day, everyone. I've got this smart security camera from Dzees here for an unboxing and review. So here's everything that came in the box. It's got the camera here, the logo on the side, the speakers in the back. You can see the mounting hole in the back there, and there's also one on the bottom, and those will mount to that swivel head you see there on the right. And for plugging it in, there's a little compartment on the bottom of the camera there that flips up. And then it's a Type-C connector, which I was just showing you there. There's the charging cable. And there's where it plugs into. That's also where you can put your mini SD card, the Type-C cable connection, and it's also where you push reset or start to power up the thing. Here's the mounting screws and a couple of sleeves in there for drywall. So I'm going to go ahead and mount this thing. Mount it first, and then we'll put the camera on it. The first thing we want to do is charge up the camera before using it. Here's a look at it. When it's charging, it's got a yellow light on it. And here's a look at the compartment in the bottom again, kind of going through the power on function right now. So just hold the power button down, and you'll get an audible on the thing that says it's ready for pairing. And it's a good idea to go ahead and download the app there, which we'll go over. I'm going to go ahead and mount the mounting bracket here. Just using the provided screws. You can drill the holes if you need to. I'm just putting it on this beam, but it's kind of showing you two different separate mounting options there. One in the back, one on the bottom. I'm going with the one on the back here, and it just threads right on. There's a look at it right now. There's a look at it outside mounted, and just kind of showing you what the picture looks like, what it looks like to have movement in front of it. Now, this is a recorded screenshot, screen video of from the software itself that's been downloaded. And there's a lot of functions on it. Again, there's the hat again, just showing you the recorded video. But you can record on here, take a photo. There we go. So that I just stopped recording and it saved a video clip there. And then there's a picture as well, and you can take pictures right from this screen. Here's a look at the software. So I'll put the link for the software in the description block of the video, but this is just kind of going through the various functions of it. You can turn on the alarm here. You can view the screen from a small window like you're seeing here, or you can expand it. Again, it's got the alarm. You can talk through it. It's got the white light alarm as well, and the speaker function. Along the bottom there, you'll see it's got the home button, and it also has the library, so it'll save your video clips for you. If you're using a micro SD card, that's the best way to go for storage. But here you get a little bit of storage just in the library on the app. And then this just kind of goes through the various functions of the app there. It'll do everything you want it to. It'll let you adjust your alarm, loud, medium, low, off. Same thing with the lights. And there's a look at the picture again. Got my furry friend in there out getting the ball. But this thing, you can see how clear the picture is on it. But this is a look at it during the day. Here's a look at it during the night and indoor as well. All right. Thank you all for watching.